Welcome back, guys. It's a new video for me and my first video. If you want, please just like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Do you think it's gonna go in or not? Because I'm gonna try to shoot it in that hoop right there by this thing right there. So I'm gonna shoot in there every day. I gotta shoot Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Saturday and Sunday I can't because it's gonna be church for us and a braai or something. Okay, so today I'm gonna shoot my first one. Okay, let's see if it's gonna go. That was my first shot of the week, and see you tomorrow, guys. MK, please collab.